Hi guys, this is Raymond again and welcome dito sa Noy Finance. So for today's video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin is about trading, particularly day trading. So bago kayo matakot, bago kayo kabahan, yung pag-uusapan natin, yung ipapakita ko sa inyo is something na talagang pwedeng-pwede kapag beginner ka pa lang o wala ka pa masyadong alam about day trading. Well, to be honest, yung day trading is napaka-intimidating talaga, no? Pag nakita pa lang natin yung mga charts, pag nakita pa lang natin yung mga terms, talagang napaka-intimidating. And ako personally, marami na akong nasayang na pera talaga dyan. Way back pa nung nag-start ako mag-trade. Kasi kailangan mo talagang aralin yung mga different terms, mga different trading strategies, different markets, at kung ano-ano pa. So, talagang napakahirap niya. Hindi talaga siya ganun kadali, no? Plus the fact na tayong tao, we feel emotion. Pag nakikita natin na umaakyat yung mga tinetrade natin, talagang na-excite tayo and minsan nakakaramdam talaga tayo ng greed. Pero pag bumabagsak naman, hindi natin talaga maaalis na syempre matatakot pagpapanik tayo. So as a result, marami talagang day traders ang natatalo sa day trading. Marami talaga nauubos ang pera, marami talaga yung syempre nasasaktan, okay? Pero ang tanong is, paano ba natin may iwasan yung pagkatalo sa day trading? Well, wala na naman kasi talagang surefire way para masabi natin na hindi na tayo matatalo ulit sa day trading, no? Because it's an investment, syempre meron pa ring risk yun at talagang minsan hindi natin yun may iwasan. Pero meron tayong mga pwedeng gawin, meron tayong mga ways, meron tayong mga options to minimize those losses. So sabi ko nga kanina, isa sa pinakamalaking dahilan bakit natatalo ang isang day trader sa day trading is number one, emotions, no? Kasi syempre, hindi natin maaalis na kapag nananalo tayo, nagiging greedy tayo, naging excited tayo. At pag natatalo tayo, natatakot tayo, nagpapanik tayo. So, eventually, kahit anong ganda pa ng strategy ang gamitin natin, if our emotions will cloud those strategies, and definitely, hindi rin yun ma-apply. Kaya nauuso ngayon yung mga tinatawag na AI trading robots, no? So basically, these are artificial intelligent robots na magti-trade for you, okay? So, ang kinaganda nito, syempre, since they're robots, syempre hindi sila nakakaramdam ng emotion. So, anything na ilagay mo sa kanila sa trading strategy, they will follow it. And since itong mga robot na to is really built to trade, so syempre, dapat alam na nila, no? Alam na nila yung mga strategies, alam na nila yung mga different indicators, alam na nila kung paano nagtitrade para ma-maximize yung profit. That's the reason bakit ko nasabi na itong AI trading robots is talagang pwede rin pagdating sa mga beginner day traders. So for today, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung isang AI trading robot na ako personally ginagamit ko talaga and masasabi ko I'm really satisfied with the results. Ito yung tinatawag na Olympmatics. So ano nga ba guys si Olympmatics, no? So basically si Olympmatics is an AI trading robot designed by the well-known Tradematics company. Of course, syempre para ma-enhance yung ating trading experience with the use of their powerful indicators and of course proven strategies. Okay, so itong si Olympmatics, pinapadali niya yung ating trading and of course, mas nagiging efficient tayo dahil sa help ni Olympmatics. Olympmatics is a free AI trading robot. So basically, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is of course to deposit initial investment and siya na yung bahala doon. Hindi katulad ng ibang mga AI trading robots na kailangan mo pang rentahan, kailangan mo pang bilhin. So napakamahal pa niyan. So later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nag-work itong si Olympmatics, no? So pwede rin i-check yung link nila sa description sa baba. So you will find their special offer. So by the way, itong si Olympmatics ay available sa web version pero meron din sila, available din sila sa App Store and sa Google Play. Okay, so pag na-download nyo na yung Olymptrade na application, so don't forget to, of course, to register using your email, then input your password. Then I think meron pang verification yan na gagawin. Okay, so once nakapag-sign up na kayo, punta lang kayo sa robot, then check the demo account. So meron kayo dyan $10,000. Pero for this time, gagamitin natin yung ating real account. Okay, so for the initial amount, pwede tayo mag-start ng trading ng $10. Pwede rin natin yung palitan like, how about 50? Okay, so tignan natin yung duration ng trade, no? So pwedeng 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. So depende yan dun sa trading asset na gagamitin natin. Pero once pinalitan na natin yung ating trading asset, okay, nakita natin nakalagay WTI crude oil. So dito, makikita natin yung iba pang asset. Meron dyang mga iba't ibang trading pairs ng forex, may mga crypto, may silver, and mga stocks like Apple, Amazon. Pwede rin yung best trading fair, no? So yun yung pinakataas, yung pinakamataas yung pwede nating mag-gain. So for this time, for this trade, gagamitin natin is Nasdaq. So nakita natin, no, sa yung duration is nagkaroon na siya ng 1 minute duration. So kanina sa WTI, wala siyang 1 minute duration. Okay? So gagamitin natin yung 1 minute for the duration. Then check natin yung technical indicators na pwede natin gamitin. May MACD, Stochastic, Bollinger Bands, RSI, and close price. So makikita natin sa taas, no, may AI indicator. So dito makikita natin AI indicator analyzes over 100 market parameters in real time and automatically chooses the most profitable asset. So parang pinagsasama-sama niya yung iba't ibang klase ng indicators and they will use that, no, kung ano yung pinaka-best para malaman kung ano yung pinaka-best, of course, to start trading and of course to close the trade. So yan yung gagamitin natin for this trade, the AI indicator. So dito sa risk management, makikita natin, no, yung strategy, it means that it manages the trading amount in each position. Okay, profit limit, yan yung, of course, yung ating gustong mag-gain, no? Yun yung ating target. So makikita natin na strategy is naka-conservative ngayon. So pwede natin yung palitan. Merong fixed amount, conservative, optimal, and aggressive. Okay? So makikita natin na yung fixed amount is low risk, no? So recommended balance is at least $50. So ibig sabihin, yung robot opens the trade with an initial amount. Later, this amount in further trades remains unchanged. Robot keeps opening positions with the amount you initially indicated. So dun sa ibang strategies, nagpapalit yung initial investment mo. Okay, for the profit limit, just set to $20 lang natin. And then, of course, pag okay na tayo, pwede na natin i-ready at pwede na tayo mag-start trading. So as you can see, the amount is $100 for our initial investment. Strategy is fixed. And yung ating profit limit is $20. So nakikita natin na uma-under na yung 1 minute duration na nilagay natin for this trade, no? Okay, so after a minute of trading, no, you have earned $90. So kumita tayo ng $90. So makikita natin na ito yung deal natin na kumita tayo ng $90 for trading Nasdaq, okay? Which is the 90%, I think, pinakamataas na yield kanina dun sa mga available markets. So isipin nyo, napakasaglit nun, 1 minute lang and we already earned $90. So guys, check yung link sa description. So makikita nyo dyan dalawang links, no? So basically, the first link is where you will register, okay? So the second link naman is the special offer ni Olympmatics, where pag clinic nyo yung link na yun after kayo mag-register, after kayo mag-deposit, your account will be upgraded to expert level at makikita ninyo na yung trading yield nyo will go up to 93%. So pakita natin, no? So makikita natin, guys, yung Nasdaq 90%, Crypto Composite Index 89%, even the commodity is 89%, yung ibang mga stocks like Netflix is 80%, Apple 80%. Pero once mag-upgrade tayo, no, so makikita natin that yung commodity is now 93%, no? Yung ating crypto is 93%, Asia Composite Index is 91%, gold is 91%. So tumaas talaga yung ating percentage yield. So when it comes to withdrawal, no, napakadali din dito sa Olympmatics. So all we have to do is go to our account. So makikita natin dyan yung withdraw button. Okay, so click lang natin yon. Magdadirect na yan sa withdraw. So makikita natin dito add payment method and makikita natin yung balance natin, which is $652. So, andito makikita natin yung aking USDT TRC20 wallet. So, yan yung gagamitin natin for our withdrawal. Okay? So, here makikita natin, we just need to put the amount kung magkano yung gusto nating withdraw. Let's just put 100. So, makikita natin na merong fee, commission na 7.5 USD. So, our total will be 107.50 USD. So, just click withdraw. And yun na, withdrawal request created. Makikita natin na yung within 24 hours daw yung request natin ay mapaprocess na. So, you just need to click done and that's it. Tapos na siya. So, ang kinaganda rito, no, sa Olympmatics, hindi natin kailangan na may mamit na certain number of transactions bago makapag-withdraw. So, pwede na natin withdrawin agad-agad yung pera natin. When it comes to deposit, so napakadali lang din mag-deposit dito sa Olympmatics, no? So, just click the deposit button and from there, makikita natin na pwede na tayong mamili ng ating deposit amount. So makikita natin recommended deposit for robot is at least 50. So yan yung ating pipiliin, okay? So recommended yan for robot. For payment method, makikita natin may GCash, may PayMaya, CoinsPH, at iba-iba pa, no? So bank cards, makikita natin dyan na mayroong mga cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, TRX, Solana, Ethereum, USDT, which is yung ginamit ko, and online banking is Union Bank. So guys, kung interested kayo na gamitin itong si Olympmatic, so check the link in the description. Syempre para ma-maximize nyo rin yung kanilang offer, yung special offer nila na mag-i-increase up to 93% yung ating yield, yung possible na income na pwede natin makuha. So by the way, meron din VIP channel via Telegram itong si Olympmatics, no? So basically, magiging accessible yan kapag nakapag-deposit na kayo. Okay, so dun sa VIP channel na yon, meron silang mga binibigay na mga different strategies, different tips, no? Lalo na pagdating sa iba't ibang trading assets. So makakakuha kayo doon ng kung anong magandang trading assets ang pwedeng i-trade sa ngayon or anong magandang strategy. But always remember guys, no, this is investing, no? This is trading. So, walang sure way dito, walang 100% nakikita rito. Kahit pa AI robot yung gamit natin, meron pa ring risk yan, no? So, as much as possible, trade only what you can afford to lose. Okay? So, huwag kayong mangungutang tapos ipang trade ninyo kasi magiging problematic talaga yon. And kung possible, talagang yung sobra nyo lang yung gagamitin nyo. And pwede nyo i-build yon along the way. I-build nyo ng i-build hanggang sa lumaki na siya. Meron na kayong malaking capital for your trading. It's very important din to know yourself, no? Lalo na yung risk tolerance mo. So nakita natin kanina naman, may iba't ibang risk tolerance. Merong for moderate, merong conservative, meron namang high risk, no? So iba-iba yan. So know yourself kung ano lang yung kaya mong i-take, okay? Kasi pag hindi mo kayang i-take, medyo mahirap yan. May stress ka, pwedeng hindi ka makatulog, problema ka. Well, for me, if you're planning to day trade, no, nagpaplano ka naman din mag-day trading, magandang subukan mo tong si Olympmatics, no? Kasi sabi ko nga, sa ibang platforms, you really need to pay for the AI robot, no? So dito, kasama na siya, no? All you have to do is to deposit money, okay? Pwede ka rin naman mag-manual trading, pero same thing, no? Magde-deposit ka, and dito meron ka ng AI robot na kasama.
And that's it guys, no? I hope marami kayo natutunan, lalo na dun sa mga nagpaplano na mag-day trade, no? So always remember to manage your risk, no? So only risk kung ano lang yung ma-afford nyong mawala, and from there you can build naman, okay? So always remember that trading, hindi yan palaging panalo. But of course, we have ways, we have options para of course pa-minimize natin yung losses natin. And that's it guys for today. I hope nagustuhan niyo tong video na to. Don't forget to share of course and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.